Hey, this is Trevor at SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about soundbar upgrades for your Jeep Wrangler JK. If you have the stock head unit, or you've upgraded to an aftermarket head unit, or added an amplifier, you're going to get a lot better sound by swapping to a larger speaker. The SSV version, which is an 8-inch neodymium motor, which means it's ultra efficient, has 150 watt power handling, and is going to respond great on a head unit or a small amplifier. The kicker speakers are rated up to 300 watts, and if you're running a bigger amplifier, that might be a better choice for you. Install is a breeze with this fully molded, sealed, all-weather durable soundbar. You're simply just going to remove the two twist knobs from the roof, unbolt the two bolts on each side, and disconnect the connector. Your dome light removes from your stock soundbar. It plugs right in, including with a pre-provisioned harness, and it plugs right into the stock connectors, bolts right back in place. Install takes just minutes, but it sounds amazing. So if you've got that 07 to 17 JK or JKU, this direct swap soundbar is going to make a huge difference for you. Thanks for watching our video. Please hit like and subscribe. Go to ssvworks.com for more information. I'm Trevor. This is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.